My name is Maher, and I've been making money online for 4 years straight now, completely on my own, with no investors, no startup funds, no rich family, and actually, I don't even come from an entrepreneurial background. All this just to say, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money online as a complete beginner using AI while you still work a full-time job. Because everyone out there is talking about AI, everyone out there is telling you to make money online, but no one is actually showing you and telling you how you can start making money online using AI as a beginner while you have a full-time job. All right, let's get tactical here, because if you're working a full-time job, then realistically you would have anywhere between 20 to 40 hours extra per week to put in towards your business. It's up to you. If you want to go up to 40 hours a week, it would mean that you're literally working two full-time jobs. It's completely up to you how hard you want to work and how fast you want to achieve the goal. 20 to 40 hours a week, that's what we're going to lead with. We're going to go with 20 hours. If you're willing to put in more, then perfect, you're going to get there twice as fast as these examples. So when you're starting out, the first thing that you need is, all right, what do I sell? I can give you a few examples of great things that you can sell. As an agency, as a service, business owners always want more customers. So if you can help business owners get more customers, help them with their marketing, help them with their sales, there you go, you have a business. It's already proven. The demand is always there. It will never disappear, no matter if AI comes or goes or whatever tool comes and goes. Business owners are always gonna want more customers. If you can help them make more money and save time, there you go, you have a business idea. So that's just to give you one if you don't already have an original business idea of your own. A second way to get business ideas is actually by using AI. So you can go to tools such as Manus or Claude, and you can tell them to go and do research about a specific topic that you're interested in, and see if there is a demand for it. You have to tell the AI to be unbiased, because AI usually is biased towards whatever you ask it. It will just be a yes man and agree with whatever you say. So you have to tell it to be unbiased and find reasons to why there is demand, and also to why maybe demand isn't there. In that way, you can actually come up with a business idea, and you can do this within an hour. Preferably less, but an hour is fair. Now you know what to sell. However, you need to get clients. You need to acquire clients yourself. And the way I would do it, if you're a beginner, maybe, just maybe, you're not stacked with cash. If you're stacked with cash, ads are amazing. Marketing through ads is an amazing way. If you don't know how to run ads, then just look up a few YouTube videos. There you go. You're gonna learn how to go to Ads Manager and launch a few ads. It's not super complicated, you just have to do it. So there you go, you can go and watch a few YouTube videos on how to run ads. Maybe I can create one for you one day, and there you go, now you know how to run ads. If you're a bit lower on cash, so this ads are great if you have $3,000 to $5,000 that you can set aside and invest into ads. That's perfect. If you know that, okay, maybe I'm willing to risk this money, then ads is amazing for you. If you only have around $500 to $1,000 a month set aside for your business, then cold emails is the go-to strategy here. Cold emails, you can buy a few domains, you can buy a software called Instantly. Again, if you don't know how to do this, search this up on YouTube, how to send cold emails with Instantly. And the emails that you send out are super simple. It's just, hey business owner, do you want more customers? I want to help you do that. Only pay me when you get more customers. There you go. You're going to get replies. You sit on sales calls with them and you close them. And during the sales call, which brings us to the second part. Now that's how you market yourself, through cold emails or through ads. If you absolutely have no money, then the only remaining options for you will be manual outreaches, where you don't have to pay for softwares or any tools, such as cold calling or cold texting, DMing. Those two methods also do work. If you don't know how to, there is nothing to know on how to do that. You just pick up the phone and call, or you pick up the phone and text the business owner. The text and the phone call is also still the same. It's just, hey business owner, I want to help you get more customers. Pay me when you do. Sounds fair? Let's talk. Boom, you talk and you jump on a sales call with them. So if that's your business idea, then perfect. You can ask Manus or Claude to help you build a pitch, and also to help you actually structure your service delivery so you know what to pitch. If you don't know what to pitch, if you still haven't picked a business model, I can pick for you. An AI appointment setter right now is an amazing thing to sell to business owners. It solves a real problem, which helps business owners make more money. All that just to say that now you jump on a sales call with them, a consultation, a free sales call, where the business owner is now there to potentially get your help. And now all you have to do is help them break down their business. How you do that is strictly through numbers. Just stick to numbers. It will be the easiest thing to do. You can learn obviously a lot about sales. I've been practicing sales for years. I've been on thousands of sales calls, but we're not turning this into a sales training video. However, the next best thing you can do if you're not already super skilled at sales is just show them the leakage they have in their business using numbers. How do you do that? You can use a calculator. It's an amazing tool to use, and it literally shows them the numbers, and you can show them on the screen or share screen with them exactly how much they're missing out on right now because they're not responding to their leads within 60 seconds, which would be the problem that the AI appointment setter would be solving. There you go. You have a business, you have a product now, you have a marketing system, and also you know how to close this lead. I personally, if you're starting out complete beginner, just charge a setup fee around $500 to $1,000, and then charge money per qualified meeting that you help them get, or per customer that you help them acquire. For example, $300 per qualified meeting, or $500 per qualified meeting that you help them book through your AI appointment setter. Great deal. And you can just charge them. In the AI appointment setter, you can go back to all the conversations and then bill them the X amount of meetings that you help them book. If not, then you can charge them per customer. I would rather do the qualified meeting thing because then you can actually get paid. If they're horrible at closing, then you're going to suffer from that, even though you did a great job. So try to stick to qualified per qualified meeting. That's literally it. However, I'm going to tell you now where most people fuck up. Maybe this sounds simple, and it's because it is. It is simple. However, here is the biggest problem that you're going to face, and it's you. And the reason why I'm saying that is because on day 2, you're going to start questioning whether the product is actually working when you haven't even pitched it to someone. On day 7, you're going to start questioning if your emails are being sent to the right people. You've only been sending a few emails so far, if you have even started. On day 13, you're going to be questioning your ability to close, and you're going to be changing your sales method, even though you've only been on 2 sales calls. On day 23, you're going to be doubting something else and be panicking. And the thing is, there and then during the day, it's actually so easy to start changing things, and you feel like it's the most reasonable thing ever. You start coming up with so many reasons and excuses to why it's the exact thing that you need to do, that you need to shift your complete marketing method, go from cold calling to ads out of nowhere, or the opposite, just for absolutely no reason at all, no logical reason at all. So the thing is, the best people, those who actually get results, they write down the plan I literally just gave to you. They stick to it for 90 days, and that's all they do. That's it. If you can do that, you will make money, I promise. Or, I mean, I can't promise, but usually that's the case. If you actually do that, then you usually will make money, okay? Because it's just impossible for you to be solving a problem for someone and still not get paid. After the first month, you will already have landed your first clients if you did what I mentioned to you right now. If you're, for example, running cold emails and instantly, you could be sending 200 emails a day. 200 emails a day for a month is a lot of emails. That's thousands of emails. You will be booking around 8 to 15 sales calls from those emails, and from those 8 to 15 sales calls, you might close 1 or 2. That means that you have your first $500 to $1,000 payment, and then you can also make money on the back end from the customers that you will be working with and booking sales calls for using your AI appointment setter. The thing is, now you might not have an AI appointment setter, then literally just go in Claude, use Claude Code to build a demo, something. Just, you have to get your hands dirty. You have to sit on your laptop and start working. Maybe you're not technical, that's fine. I'm not either. If you just want to keep telling yourself I'm not technical, then be my guest and sit. Well, don't achieve your dreams, then don't use AI, make your life a lot harder than it needs to be. I would just start doing it, okay? Download Claude, pay for the $20 a month subscription, and start using Claude Code. It's easier than you could possibly imagine. Trust me, I barely knew how to even open Google Calendar just a few years ago. I'm not a tech person, yet I sat down and I built systems, websites, and apps within days. Like within one day, I built a complete app. I have no idea how I did it, because I make Claude and AI to literally, I screenshot my screen and I go back to AI and I ask it, what do I do now? And I did that for 9 hours. Boom, I had an app. All this just to say, use AI, use that roadmap, stick to it for 90 days. That's pretty much it. I'm just checking my notes here, making sure I didn't forget anything, but I don't think I did. So I'll see you in the next one.